Hey everyone, it's Mari Bora, the registered dietitian at United Tribes Technical College. Today we are making soup. The Sustainable Egg Program and Land Grant Extension have been working hard all summer to grow a variety of vegetables. And it's because of that that we have an abundance of vegetables, so I'm making veggie soup. Don't worry, if you don't have a garden, you're not growing your own vegetables. These vegetables are really cost effective and you can easily get them at any store. I love making soup, especially since you can make it in so many different ways and use up things that are in your cupboard, your fridge, your freezer, and just mix it up and make it however you would like. So I am starting out with a mirepoix, which is a flavor base made from diced vegetables cooked usually with butter, oil, and other fat. So here we have carrots, celery, and onion. I like to use olive oil a lot in my cooking because it is an unsaturated fat, unlike things like butter or lard that are saturated fats. You can tell something is unsaturated because it is liquid at room temperature. Now we are going to add 1.5 cups yellow onion, 2 cups chopped carrots, and then 1 1/4 cup chopped celery. And then you're going to mix it all together. Once the mixture has softened, you will then add 3 cups 1.5 inch thick chopped potatoes. Now you are going to add whatever broth you like. I had chicken broth on hand, but you could use vegetable broth or beef broth. You could buy it in a can, one of these containers, or if you want, you can even make your own. Add 2 large cans of undrained diced tomatoes. I had 1 can in the cupboard, and then we had a ton of tomatoes from the garden, so then I roasted my own and added those. Roasting tomatoes is super easy. I just cut them in half, put them on a baking sheet, drizzle with olive oil, salt, pepper, and then bake them for about 30 minutes or until soft in an oven that is set at 450 degrees. This is where you can add your seasoning like salt, but start with a little bit because you can't take it out, but you can always add more later. Add fresh or dried herbs like parsley or thyme, maybe some bay leaves. Here I use some thyme and dried parsley. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce heat, cook for about 30 minutes or until the potatoes are soft. Add 2 cans of beans. I'm using Great Northern beans, and don't forget to rinse them. The cloudy liquid you find in canned beans is mostly starch and salt that can change the texture or taste of a dish. Add the beans to the cooked mixture, dish it up, and you're good to go. And there you go. You have a hearty and healthy vegetable soup perfect for fall.